Okay everyone, let's take a look at the fan mail. Please take those ugly stickers off your laptops. It doesn't add any credibility, Thanks for the video though. Okay, well if hackers don't want credibility, then why do we have so many stickers on our laptop? Well, for me, it's an opportunity to show off to anyone who's interested what kinds of projects and people I support, and also what area of cybersecurity I specialize in. Here you can see the sticker for Kismet, a wireless security tool because I'm a Wi-Fi hacker, and also the sticker for HackerYet, a hackerspace in Norway I had the opportunity to visit. Of course, we have Spacesoon, the space chicken, my friend who makes the Wi-Fi deauthor, and as you can see, I have a lot to show off here to anybody who wants to know what kind of hacking stuff I personally am interested in.